Hi, I'm Jerry Hereden,
And I'm Kerry Hereden.
and we live in the Waters community. I would say the most memorable part for us in our home buying journey is we were moving from Houston, Texas. And so for us, we needed to work with a builder that understood that we were moving a long distance, that they were willing to work with us, and certainly Tabor was a partner with us in that. So for me, that was the most memorable part.
The amenities that the Tabor home offers. Particularly, we love the design of the home. We also love the shelter, the in-ground shelter. That was a plus for us, knowing that we were moving into more area where there is a little bit more weather activity. So that was important, as well as a really nice outdoor fireplace on a nice big patio.
Yeah, and I would say for me, what appealed to me about the Tabor home is you walk into a Tabor home and it just feels very well constructed and it felt solid. And we had looked at some other homes before Tabor homes and the quality just wasn't there, but it was certainly there with Tabor.
Absolutely.
The biggest feature for me that I love about the home is the patio. Moving from Houston, we didn't have much of a patio, didn't have much of a yard. And so I had kind of gotten used to that. And so that wasn't that big of a deal to me whenever we moved into this home. But now that we're there, I have plants out there, I have some furniture out there. I'm even doing my own yard, cutting my own grass for the first time in 20 years. I would just say I would highly recommend buying a home from Tabor. They're very, very responsive. Like I said, very accommodating. The homes are very well built. We have bought several homes, and we've been married now for over 20 years. And we have bought and sold 4 or 5 homes. And I have to say this is the best home that we've ever owned. And I attribute a lot of that to Tabor.